So it looks like I'm looking at the graph of absolute value of x here in red and the graph of y equals 2 here in blue. They intersect at x equals -2 and x equals +2. And this section of the absolute value graph below the line y equals 2 is emphasized here by the dotted lines. So I would infer that the absolute value inequality I'm trying to solve is the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 2. When I graph the solution set on the number line, it represents all the x values for which that inequality is true. So when x is between -2 and 2, inclusive, I know that the graph of my absolute value function is below the graph of y equals 2, or that it also intersects with the graph of y equals 2. So this is the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 2.